When you search for best choice products hanging chaise loungers, everything looks the exact same. Same boho designs, same weight claims, same setup promises. But to figure out which one actually feels good to sit in and lasts more than a season, you have to look past the photos and dig into what real people are saying.
Product number 1, Songmix 500-pound hammock chair. Let's start with this Songmix hammock chair in slate gray. At $39.99, it's one of the more affordable options. And what caught my eye right away was the 500-pound weight capacity, way higher than most in this price range. If you want something sturdy that won't sag under heavier use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thick 2-inch steel pipe frame gives serious support. And unlike flimsy plastic hooks, the included metal chain and snap hook feel solid. Plus, those 2 large side pockets, perfect for holding your phone, water bottle, or a paperback while you unwind. The polyester cotton fabric breathes well, so you won't overheat on warm days. And the 2 included cushions add just enough padding without being bulky. With over 400 sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with people who want comfort without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the cushions flattening after a few weeks of heavy use. Here's the thing though, for the price, they're still decent, and you can always add a thin foam topper if needed. It's not luxury level padding, but it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, budget-friendly hanging chair for your balcony or bedroom and don't mind slightly basic cushioning. Skip this one if you're over 250 pounds and plan to lounge daily. Opt for something with reinforced stitching instead. For under $40, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Songmix Boho Swing Chair. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort seekers. This cream white Songmix hanging chair costs $54.99 and focuses less on raw strength and more on pure coziness. If you want a chair that feels like a warm hug after a long day, this one delivers. What sets it apart is the large, thick cushion that wraps around your back, arms, and legs. It's genuinely one of the comfiest designs I've seen under $60. The boho tassels and soft fabric give it a calming, spa-like vibe, perfect for reading or meditating. It supports up to 264 pounds, which is fine for most adults, and comes with a steel chain and carabiner, so setup is straightforward. You can hang it from a ceiling hook, a C-frame, or even a tree branch, giving you serious flexibility. That said, a few buyers mentioned the ropes loosening slightly over time, if not retightened. Here's the thing though, this is common with rope-based swings. A quick monthly check fixes it easily. It's not a design flaw, just normal maintenance. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and style and plan to use it indoors or in a covered outdoor space. Skip this one if you need something for rough outdoor conditions or have kids who might swing too hard. At $55, it's a great mid-tier pick.
Product number 3, Christopher Knight Teardrop Chair. Now, if the previous 2 felt a bit too casual, this Christopher Knight Home Teardrop Chair takes a completely different approach. At $127.43, it's the priciest on this list, but it looks and feels like furniture, not just a swing. If you want something that doubles as a statement piece, this is it. The faux rattan weave gives it a high-end, resort-style look, and the water-resistant cushions mean it can handle light outdoor use without instantly fading or molding. The teardrop shape fully encloses you, creating a private nook that's perfect for zoning out with a book. It holds up to 300 pounds and is built to last, but, and this is important, it requires professional installation. No stand, no hardware included. You'll need to mount it properly to avoid accidents. Some reviewers were frustrated by the lack of included mounting gear. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for DIY beginners. If you're willing to invest in proper setup, the durability and design payoff are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a premium, long-term lounging solution for a patio or sunroom and don't mind spending extra on installation. Skip this one if you rent or prefer easy, tool-free setups. For the price, it's a luxury buy, but it acts like one.
Product number 4, Kono Send Portable Parachute Swing. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for travelers and outdoor lovers. This Konosend parachute hammock chair is only $39.99, but packs serious versatility. If you want something you can take camping, to the beach, or just move between rooms, this is the one. Made from lightweight 210T nylon parachute fabric, it folds down to just 15 by 6.3 inches and weighs under 4 pounds. Seriously, fits in a backpack. Yet it holds up to 500 pounds thanks to the reinforced metal rod and anti-slip rings. The large seating area even lets 2 people sit together, and the side pocket keeps your essentials within reach. Setup takes under a minute, which is huge if you hate fiddling with knots. The downside? The fabric can feel a bit thin compared to padded chairs, so long lounging sessions might leave your back wanting more support. Here's the thing though, for portability and quick relaxation, it's unmatched. Just don't expect living room level comfort. This is perfect for you if you camp, hike, or want a lightweight chair for your porch or backyard. Skip this one if you plan to use it daily for hours at a time. For $40, it's an incredible value for on-the-go comfort.
Product number 5, Basanob Replacement Mesh and Rope Set. Now, if all the previous options are new purchases, this next one solves a totally different problem, fixing what you already own. This Basanob Replacement Mesh and Rope Set is $39.99 and designed to revive worn-out hanging loungers. If your chaise is sagging or fraying, but the frame's still good, this could save you hundreds. The reinforced polyester mesh prevents tearing, and the universal fit works with most Best Choice Products chaise loungers. It even includes a sleek storage bag with pockets, so you're not just repairing, you're upgrading. Instead of tossing an old chair, you give it new life, which is better for your wallet and the planet. The catch? This is only the mesh and rope. No frame, no cushions. If your whole chair is broken, this won't help. Here's the thing though, if just the fabric is worn, this is a genius fix that costs less than a new chair. This is perfect for you if you already own a compatible lounger and want to extend its life. Skip this one if you need a complete setup or aren't handy with basic repairs. For eco-conscious buyers, it's a smart, sustainable choice.
So, which one should you pick? The Songmix 500-pound chair wins for strength on a budget. The boho version for comfort, Christopher Knight for luxury, Konosend for portability, and Basanob for sustainability. Each solves a different need, so think about how you'll actually use it before clicking buy.